Welcome to the quick tutorial of PVAPins.com. PVAPins is a platform where you can buy or rent any country's phone number for verify any app. First go to PVAPins.com and click the sign up button. Now click the register new account button. Fill the box with proper information and tap the register button. After sign up successfully you will see the interface like this. For purchase or rent any number you have to recharge your account. The process is very easy. Just hover on top up option and select recharge your account. All available payment methods are shown here based on country. Select any of them and made a recharge successfully. After a successful payment the amount will add your account and will be shown here. Now you are ready to purchase number here. Let's start how to create a Gmail account and verify it with a virtual phone number via PVAPins. Look at the phone screen first. In this field you have to enter a phone number. Now return to PVAPins and search here any country. Select the country type Gmail and you will see some available number with purchase cost. Select any number, wait a little bit. You will get a real phone number here. Take this number and enter it for verification. A verification code will be shown here automatically. If not, click the refresh button. Take this code and finish the verification procedure. Thank you for using PVAPins.